How to terminate all other sessions in Telegram. So if you follow these steps very carefully, it's quite easy process. First of all, you'll need to open your Telegram and then click on these three dots right here. After you click on three dots, click on settings. Once you're on your settings, you scroll down and under the settings section, you can find the devices menu. You click on devices. As you can see, my account right now is logged into two devices. The device that I'm currently using, Samsung Galaxy, and other active session is on this Telegram desktop. So if I click on terminate all other sessions, and if I have more than one active sessions here, all of them will be terminated. And if I want to select the particular session that I want to end, I'm going to click on this and click on terminate session. So what this does is it's going to log out my account from this particular device, and that's how you can quickly terminate all other sessions in Telegram. Thank you for watching.